Hey y'all, thanks for checking out the video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pretty easy DIY fold down nightstand. Let's get into it. Alright, let's get some wood cut here. I try to keep this as simple as possible, so every piece of wood is going to be 3 1/4 inch wide, except for the actual nightstand tabletop itself. So we'll get all these cut up into 3 1/4 before we move on to the miter saw and get them cut to length. Now the top, bottom, and the 2 back pieces will be 13 1/2, and the 2 side pieces will be 11 inches. Something I forgot to mention that you're probably noticing right here is that the bottom piece is 1 inch stock. That is so it matches the actual nightstand tabletop, which is also going to be 1 inch stock. If you've seen any of my previous videos, I like to use that 1 inch stock I get from the big box stores. It's actually pretty cheap. It's sold as a stair tread, so you can get a 4-foot piece of it by 12 inches for relatively cheap, about $15. And I like to use it for tabletops, fold down desks and whatnot because it's super durable and steady. And due to the fact that these are not super weight bearing at all, I keep the joinery pretty simple. I'm just going to glue these up and throw some brads in them. Here I'm going to put these back panels in. We'll glue them and brad nail them in. And then off camera I will get these holes all patched up and we'll get it stained over at the staining bench. I think I'm going to do American walnut on these. Also off camera I got the fold down top cut and stained. It's that 1 inch stock that matches the bottom piece, and it's 15 by 10 inches. We'll get these hinges put in. After this we'll get the latch put in and we'll be done. Getting the latch in now. I'll give it a light coat of spray lacquer and we'll be finished. And we're all done. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.